In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI tools, a powerful suite of features designed to enhance your creative workflow in just a few minutes. Canva has been a go-to platform for many creators because of its simplicity and wide range of design tools. With the addition of AI, it has become even more intuitive and efficient. To get started, you'll first want to navigate over to Canva. Simply open a web browser, type in Canva's URL, and log into your account if you aren't already. Once you're on your dashboard, take a look at the top toolbar. You'll notice a new option labeled Canva AI. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to a whole new world of creative possibilities offered by artificial intelligence. When you enter the Canva AI section, you're greeted with an array of tools. There are different features available, each designed to assist with various aspects of design, from creating images to generating text. Spend a moment exploring what's available. It's important to choose a tool that matches your current project needs. Whether you need help with graphic design, creating written content, or generating images, there is a tool ready to support you. Once you've selected a tool, Canva AI takes care of the heavy lifting by providing you with several outputs. This means that the AI will suggest different versions or ideas based on your initial input. Browse through these suggestions and pick the one that resonates most with your vision. Remember, these outputs are suggestions. You have complete creative control. Feel free to refine and tweak the chosen output to better suit your project. This manual editing step ensures that the final product aligns with your style and purpose. An important tip when using features like Magic Write or text-to-image is to use clear and specific prompts. The more detail you can provide in your initial inputs, the more accurate and relevant the AI's output will be. Think of this interaction as a collaboration with the AI. The clearer your instructions, the better your results. Finally, after you've created something you're happy with, it's time to export your work. Canva makes it easy to save your creations in a variety of formats. Choose to export your work as an image, a PDF, or even files ready for social media. The platform supports a wide range of export options to ensure that no matter where your design goes, it maintains its quality and integrity. With these simple steps, you can harness the power of Canva AI to elevate your design projects effortlessly. Embrace this technology to unlock new levels of creativity, streamline your workflow, and produce professional quality designs with ease. Happy creating!